Hello friends, welcome to Shilpa's Home Decor Idea. So today I will show you best bathtub designs. So keep watching this video until the end, and if you're new to our channel then don't forget to subscribe it and hit the bell icon for the latest video update. For many of us, a long bath is one of life's great pleasures, and finding the right bathtub can make a bigger difference than you may realize. And you have a significant variety of options to choose from. Freestanding bathtubs, possibly one of the most popular style of bathtubs, are freestandings, and it's not difficult to see why. Freestanding bathtubs can freely fit just about any space and don't require connecting walls to be installed. They also provide a more vibrant centerpiece for your bathroom. Corner tub is a great option for smaller spaces or for homeowners who have a floor to ceiling windows and want to take advantages of a view. Clawfoot tubs are popular for their sized Victorian look and add instant period charm and romance. Modern reproduction feature different finishes on the feet. So, if you are going this route, choose one of these coordinates with your other fixture and hardware. Soaking bathtubs are longer and deeper than standard bathtubs, measuring anywhere from 15 inches to 24 inches or more in depth. They are often constructed with a slanted back to create a luxurious spa-like experience. Whirlpool tubs come in many different shapes through platforms are the most popular. They use a pump to force air and water out of jets, creating a massaging bubbling effect to target specific area on the body. A soaking bathtub or Japanese style is a bathtub that is typically either oval or circular in shape, generally a fair bit taller than a normal bathtubs. The purpose of these is to sit comfortably in place to allow yourself to soak in. These bathtubs also tend to run a wide spectrum of size as there are longer, more elegant styles for larger homes and of course the much more compact ones for smaller homes. The smaller size is generally more popular as an apartment bathtubs. Undermount drop-in bathtubs are installed underneath the surrounding deck or ingress, so it looks more uniform to your bathroom as the rim is hidden. Drop-ins are installed by dropping them in a curved-out area then sealed in, so the rim is more visible. Beyond the visual aspect, there isn't much difference between an undermount and drop-in bathtub. They both save space, they both come in many different styles and material, and many of them can be fitted with powered jets for more relaxing bath experience or combined with a shower for multi-purpose use. A walk-in bathtub is a bathtub that is fitted to allow the user to walk in and sit down without fear of slipping. There are grooves and notches along the inside of the tub to provide walking grip, and generally there is also handholds to assist balance and stability. These are most prominent in homes that have elderly folk as these will allow them to bath without further assistance. Oval bathtub is classic design of the clawfoot is the oval bathtub. These bathtubs are round in shape and quite similar to a water basin. Quite popular in apartment or smaller homes where space is premium. These bathtubs have a more modern look that contrasts well against the sharper corner and edges of the rest of your bathroom. Brass and copper tubs are costly but offer a truly dramatic style. They also retain heat well for those who love long baths. On a final note, remember that a tub needs to feel right, and tubs that have the same outside measurement may not have the same shape and space on the inside. The solution is be prepared to climb in and test drive before you buy it. When choosing a material, there are two factors in choosing the right material for your bathtub, namely price and comfort. Every materials feel different to the touch, so you should test out which is the best and most comfortable to you, as you will be spending a significant time in your bathtub and your comfort is important to enjoy it. However, the most comfortable materials may also be quite pricey and quite a bit heavier. So you should do research on what your bathroom can handle before purchasing. A peaceful, relaxing bath can add a lot to your life. It can reduce stress, give you a few minutes each day of the absolute comfort and smooth sore muscles. The right bathtub can add perfectly match of your needs and rest of your bathroom and add some style and elegance to the space. Or it can simply be an affordable option that get the job done and allow you to enjoy soaking in warmth without any extra features. Whatever you want most in bath, you can probably find it in your search of available bathtubs. Figure out your priorities and find the tub that best fit your lifestyle and preferences. I hope this video will help you to choose the best bathtub design idea for your bathroom. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest video update. Thanks for watching this video. Please check out my other home related videos.